Today, we are going to talk about Quiz Target, create engaging video, and lead quizzes that skyrocket leads, boost conversions for any business. Explode your opt-ins up to 78%, grow your list faster, and make sales anywhere online with Quiz Target. The most powerful and affordable way to build your list in 2021. Save thousands on confusing quiz builder tools. Explode your opt-ins by up to 78%. Create viral quizzes that get shared up to 1,900 times. No monthly fees, watermarks, hidden costs, or steep learning curves. Here, you can get instant access to Quiz Target by clicking this button, and this is a one-time investment. You don't need to pay monthly fees, but this offer is only for a limited time. See what others have to say about Quiz Target. This is Luo Hornberger, Ignorant Industries. What he says that wow, very powerful, easy to use, and 100% newbie friendly software. I have used Quiz Target and I must say it's really impressive. Quiz Target is loaded with powerful features which helped me grab hot leads. At the same time, it is very easy to use. All of you have to do is select template, make a few changes as per your needs, and hit the publish button. That's it. Highly recommended. And there's another person who says that Quiz Target is a gold mine for marketers. As a marketer, it's always a challenge to grab the customer attention. We were looking for a solution to deal with this challenge, and that's when we came across an innovative approach which involves quizzing to engage audience. Tried Quiz Target for 2 weeks and results were encouraging. Got massive lift in leads and conversions. Highly recommended. This is Siddharth Jadhav, General Manager, Top Advertising, MNC. And here, Quiz Target gives you everything you need to build your list and make sales fast and works for any niche or offer. First is more leads, embed on any site to start capturing leads now. And more traffic. People love taking quizzes and sharing the results with their friends. More opt-ins. Quizzes are proven to boost opt-ins up to 78%. And more sales. Show targeted offers based on people's answer and watch your sales explode. The easiest, most powerful, and affordable quiz maker at your fingertips. Here are some features of Quiz Target. You will get 10 pro templates, DIY quiz campaigns, quiz mind map designer, quiz engagement boosters. Create any type of quiz you can imagine, embed on any website. Auto generators, quiz landing pages, make more for yourself from ads, offers, and more right inside your quiz. Segment your leads, split test quizzes, auto viral sharing, detailed reporting. And this all these are commercial license included and so much more. Building your list and making sales has never been easier. There is no need to give away free content that nobody wants to read. No need to spend tons of bucks on webinars that people don't register for. No need to offer lead magnets that don't boost opt-ins. It has been proven over and over again that quizzes are now the most powerful way to build your email list in any niche. Not just any list, but a highly engaged list that will buy from you like crazy. Just look at these shocking quiz stats. Studies show that 90% of most shared Facebook posters are quizzes. The average quiz has a 78.4% opt-in rate. The average quiz is shared nearly 2000 times. 82% of people engage with quizzes they see in their news feed. And according to Forbes, the demand for interactive content such as quizzes will continue to grow. Plus, when people take your quizzes, they are giving you golden info that can help you pitch the best suitable offer. You are not getting just names and emails anymore. You are getting profitable data like how they feel, what their problems are, what type of person they are, and tons more info from the answers, which means you can create targeted offers that give them what they want, and you get more conversions leading to your business growth. No wonder the top brands and marketers are using quizzes to generate hot leads today. In fact, if you are not using quizzes, you are getting left behind. The problem? Quizzes are hard to create. There are three reasons. It's expensive. Can you afford to spend hundreds on quiz makers or hiring experts? No way. And second number is it's complicated. Most quiz makers are confusing as hell. You will end up wasting hours in creating your quiz campaigns. And number three, it's difficult. Framing questions for your quiz campaigns is a brainstorming task. If your questions are not engaging enough, then people will bounce off and you will end up wasting your time, money, and efforts. What if there was another option? Now there is, it's called Quiz Target.